How to take a CEM online test. In this video, you will be informed of the steps and guidelines that you shall observe when you access the online testing website. You are advised to take the demo test and read through the candidate online assessment guide for prohibited activities during the test. It is best to review this navigation video days before the actual test. After watching this video tutorial, check your computer system compatibility with the test website. To do this, go back to the CEM NMAT homepage. Under the Bulletin of Information section, click the How to Check Computer Compatibility tab. Read through the page, then click the System Compatibility Check link. Download and install the Metal Secure Browser or MSB. Once installed, click Proceed to Test tab on the window and follow the steps as guided by the system. Wait for the test window to reload and proceed by clicking the Launch Test tab. Close any unrequired applications detected by the system by clicking the OK button. The window will close automatically and the Safe Exam browser will open. If your system is compatible, it will show the message, "Looks great. The test will run just fine on this computer." After getting the prompt that the test will run fine on your computer, go back to your NMAT Online registration page and click the NMAT Online Demo Test link to practice navigating the online testing website. A few days before the test, check your email for the actual test invite. The Start Test tab in the email invitation is the actual link to the testing website. Click the tab on your scheduled test date to launch the test, and follow carefully the steps as guided by the system. Wait for the test windows to reload and proceed by clicking the Launch Test tab. Click Proceed to Test tab to launch the test and open the MSB. Close any unrequired applications detected by the system by clicking the OK button. Wait for the test to load. Then click the Next tab to continue. Read the instructions and other important reminders before starting the test. Click the View Section-Wise Details button to check the test details. Click the Proceed tab. Enter your registered email ID. Fill in all the relevant or required information. Enter the details that you registered during your application process. Read and understand the terms and conditions and click the checkbox to indicate your agreement. Then, click the Next button to proceed. Click the Start Test tab. Provide your face snapshot, then click Next. Provide the snapshot of your valid ID, then click Submit. Wait in queue until you get in the test. Allow the website to monitor you through your webcam by clicking the Proceed to Test tab. Read the general directions and important reminders on Section 1. Start answering the test. On your test window, you will see the following: Question portion. This is where a test question is placed. Choice or options. In the list of choices, simply tick or click the button of your chosen answer. Timer. You will see the total time. That includes the allocation in answering the test questions, test break, and preliminary reminders, and the section time, which is the time allotment for every section of the test. The time saved from finishing a section early is not added to the time for the next section. Proctor chat window. Use this to send a message to the proctor for any concern. Power icon. Do not click this button. Page numbers. This indicates the item number that you are answering. The page numbers of the items that you have answered will turn green, while those for items you have skipped or have not yet reached remain gray in color. Click the gray page numbers to jump to the items that you have skipped or those you have not yet answered. Revisit. Click this button to bookmark items you wish to answer or review later. This changes the page number color to orange. Click these orange page numbers to go back to the items you have bookmarked. You can only revisit items within the section that you are currently working on. Progress bar. It shows your test progress. The green tab shows the number of answered items. The orange tab shows the number of bookmarked items. And the gray tab shows the number of unanswered items. Make sure the All tab in the progress bar is always clicked to see all items in the section. Previous or next question. Click these tabs to move to the next or previous questions. Next section. Click this tab when you are done with a section. Finish answering all items in a section before you click this button. You will not be able to go back to a previous section after you have left it. Pay attention to the difference between the next question and next section buttons. The next section button is green, while the next question button is blue. Finish test. This button submits your test to the website. Do not click this if you are not yet finished with the test. CEM Help Desk contact details. You may contact the Help Desk only when you experience a technical issue that cannot be supported by the proctor. Check your summary page after clicking the Finish Test tab. Click Yes, Finish Test to submit. Thank you for watching the CEM online test video.